Hey, John. So what's happening, Daniel?
What we're doing is we are facing this off.
Yep.
And then we're going to try and push that taper in there, that one there. You reckon? Or should we find a bigger one?
That'll be right. Well, we'll start off with that, eh? Yeah. Or worst comes to worst, we'll make a new one. Hey, Taylor.
A bit slow.
Speed that puppy up.
Lightning. Still didn't even get all the way.
That's fine, that's fine. This is just a trial anyway. Hot. There we go, running. Another piece. No. Yes. Oh. God. Jeez.
Oh, it's tight.
There you go.
It's got a break. How's it working?
Yeah.
Are you videoing it?
There.
Oh, it's gone crooked. It worked, but it went crooked.
Oh man.
Jump on this leg.
I'm hungry. Getting hungry, guys. No. Left the chuck here. Oh, jeez, Daniel.
Sorry, mate.
What if I had an emergency?
Yeah, I know. Whoops. Getting my foot under the brake here for him.
That's it. Okay, second time with lube. Keep going, mate, keep going. Oh man, that came out too easy. Look at the finish on that. Oh.
Glorious. Okay, I've machined that out. This is the steering nozzle, by the way, if you don't know what I'm making. And drilled a hole through there, which is going to go on this piece and pivot. I'm just going to weld a blob on here that I can drill on tap. Okay, got the nozzle on there. Hopefully that's enough steering. Gonna weld an arm off there and have a rod going up to the front. Change the exhaust, which you guys probably haven't seen yet. Probably time now to mount it up in here. Okay, I've got the intake welded in. That side was easy. This side was an absolute mission because it goes from a point out to a flat. Got the motor mocked up in here now. Just doing little bits and pieces and pretty excited about getting it going. I just want to start it up. But I'll show you how it works. So the motor's just connected to the universal there. Goes through a bearing. And there is the impeller. I haven't got the back half on it yet. So the water just comes up through there, which I'm going to have a grate over. Let's keep working.
Do it! Just do it!
Alright, I've fitted a muffler to quieten it down a bit. There's the fuel tank. Here's my steering handle, so it's got a push rod system. I had to make it do this. So forward is going to be turn right. So I hope that's not going to be too confusing. But anyway, pretty much you need to take it all to bits and weld everything off properly. Okay, she's all bolted back in, siliconed up. Got a bit of a temporary seat set up. We're down the beautiful river. Got my dad here to help me. So let's do it. Well guys, that was a great test drive. Went better than I thought it was going to go, but still heaps of work to do obviously. So if you look here, it's totally twisted the jet unit. I couldn't do it up tight because every time I did it up tight it would bind up. But the steering was super sensitive. There was water leaking out everywhere. I don't know what was going on. I have to look at the footage. And what actually stopped the whole run was fuel was just pouring out of the carburetor like it was overflowing. So, and it wouldn't run anymore. It's still hard to start. It won't start on the electric start. It starts fine with the drill though, so I might get rid of the electric start and just use the drill. Also, it seemed like the motor had almost too much power, like it just wound it out really easily, and I've reduced the compression. So if I put the compression back up, it'd have way too much power. Seems like it's only using about half of the engine's power to push that. So I could get away with using one of those little 6.5 4-stroke motors in here. It'd be a lot more reliable, easier to start and everything. But what do you guys think? Should I keep using this one, or should I move to one of those 4-stroke motors that are half as powerful? So thanks for watching guys, see you next time.